Framing for You delivers value. Our frames are manufactured with tolerances of 0.5 millimeter. That allows us to do things other manufacturers can't. Specifically, our corner braces actually draw the frame into square. Inferior frames omit braces altogether, which allows the frame to rack and wobble. Now, we actually built a prototype without braces. It's probably the prettiest thing in our scrap heap. To be clear, just because a naked frame lacks bracing and racks significantly doesn't necessarily mean it's complete junk. The material used to skin the frame will mitigate that wobble. With our frames, you still get the extra stiffness of the skin, but you won't be relying on it. A few companies at least make the effort to include bracing in their designs. These frames need to be manually squared and held that way until the braces are installed. In practice, the human eye and hand tools are only so accurate. Add the fact that invariably something will shift, and you actually wind up locking in something that's close enough to 90 degrees. All of our frames use identical side panels, and that's what you see here, held to the wall with a lag screw through one of the Tapcon holes. Because our clip and zip dimples are so precise, the braces actually draw the frame into perfect square before locking into place. And our frames stay that way. Like the title says, precision yields strength, strength yields durability, and that equals value. According to the tag on that roll of steel, we already had our goal of a full ton, plus the weight of the pallet. And I had Virginia Tech's finest mechanical engineer just give me a look like he wasn't concerned at all about the design. That last bit of hesitation, that's me worrying about the 2 or 3 degrees pitch that the cement has, creating some sort of asymmetric load that my friend the engineer didn't think about.